Buenos dias. So here we are, the usual. It's that perfect time of month, right? When we have the sun and the moon in the sky. Obviously we're going to go straight to the absurdity of 8 minutes and 20 seconds for the sun's light to travel 108 of its diameters. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. First of all, I'm sure anybody who's thought about this for more than a few seconds and looked at the whole 4.6 seconds to radiate its light, the distance of its diameter, it's so ridiculous, right? It's hard to explain that it still sticks, right? I'm just going to go and grab a ball. 2 seconds. Right, just for the sun, how does that look? Let's have a look. Yeah. It's not going to be anywhere near the right size, but it doesn't matter how far away that thing is, the sun, right? 4.6 seconds always looks like this to cross its own diameter. 4.6. Now, it's ridiculous, okay? But the science says if that sun turned off right now, we wouldn't know for 8 minutes and 20 seconds. So we still could look towards the sun. And we wouldn't know, no clue anything was wrong for 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Because they say it's that long, how long it takes for it to get here. But when that 8 minutes and 20 seconds did hit us, right, and it just came straight over us, and we were right on that line where everything went out, and we turn that way, what would we see? Would we see like this physical line going that way, like all across, just of it just getting darker and darker? So if we look back this way, all of a sudden it's black because the sun's out, it's gone. Its light has now gone way past and it's gone that way. So what? So what do we see? What will we see? We wouldn't see the moon ever again, would we? So would there be like a line? Some kind of, it's just ridiculous. You can't split light up. You can't give it a finite speed. You can't give it a start and a finish, a tail, a head and a tail. It's ridiculous. It's plain stupid, right? So, if it was off, right? Sun's off. Somebody hits the switch, right? Now, boom. So when you look, you don't see anything, right? You don't see anything for 8 minutes and 20 seconds until the light reaches us. Can you not see how ridiculous that is? Because our eyesight goes to the source. So as soon as it turned on, you would see it. And don't forget, if Earth is 1.1 millimeters in diameter and the sun is 12 centimeters in diameter, only 13 meters splits the two, right? Remember the mirror, 12 centimeters in diameter. That distance, when you look at it like that, is nothing, is it? Absolutely nothing. The sun is still 12 centimeters in diameter, right? And you saw how the sunlight bounced off of the mirror and obviously hit Earth the tiny invisible 1.1 millimeter Earth in the, like it's a flash of lightning. Why do you think it's any different when the scale's up to real life scale? You honestly think there's something that's going to put the brakes on light? It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's an insult to people's intelligence that they've actually started talking like this, and it's just ridiculous. You cannot time the speed of the light radiating off of that star. And if you can, where is it? Where is the study? Where is the study? The numbers that show how it was done, what method was used, why the numbers were used, who did it, when it was done, all of it. There's nothing. It's all, everybody just presumes. We've filled up the science books with this 299792 started by Roma back in 1676, and it's a load of horseradish. Stellar aberration without any instruments. Fizeau bouncing a light off of a mirror that travelled 8 kilometres away from him, hit another mirror, and then came 8 kilometres back. Naked flame. What kind of light source did he have before electricity? 30-40 years before electricity was a thing. It's just one claim after another. Spinning wheels, spinning mirrors. How do you spin mirrors and work out that something's traveling 299,792 k's per second? How do you do that? All of it. There's no substance to any of it. One lie is enough to question all truth. And this isn't the first big one. 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us and the moon, right? Seriously? It is a matter of common sense. Because if people look at that thing and see what I see, you know it can't be timed. You know it's all horseradish. You start asking questions, because questions need to be asked. Horseradish. You can't time that or measure it. Later, peeps.